What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage back on the video, man. Today, you read the title. We're gonna be talking about like how to cop the Air Jordan 4 Breds and like where to get them and stuff like that. This video is mostly helpful to the guys that's new to the sneaker community, because you already know it's a new wave of sneakerheads every year, and it's around these big releases like the Bred 4s, the Concord 11s. There's gonna be somebody new to the sneaker game that want to start getting sneakers again. So this video will be very, very helpful to those guys. If you're new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is subscribe to the channel right now. Slap that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you never miss another video, live stream, post notification, or anything like that. Like the video right now, and the goal for every video is 100 likes. So right now, what I need you to do is hit that like button and follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. Link in the description box below. And with all that being said, let's get right into this video, man. Let's get it. All right, as y'all know, the Bred 4. Let me say the whole name. The Air Jordan 4 Breds are dropping with that Nike Air on the back, and y'all already know with the Nike Air on the back, they're gonna raise the retail price. You know, usually our Air Jordan 4s is going for 190 bucks retail, but this one is different. You got the Nike on the back, so it raised up 10 bucks to $200, man, which is not bad when you look at the True Blue 3s that went for 250 or 220 retail, and the quality on the True Blue 3s was so trash. Like, we was all happy that we got the True Blue 3s, but it was trash. The quality was trash. You walk on them, the creasing is just terrible. You want to get that nice crease with that nice leather that, you know what I'm saying, kind of goes back in due time, and over time that crease does look better with the sneaker. It gives them more like character, more volume to the sneaker. But they will be releasing tomorrow. I want to give some guys some tips on where to cop and how to cop. You already know, first things first, Nike sneakers app. Me personally, I have a bad like streak going on with the sneakers app. I've been getting L's after L's. I copped a couple of heat off of sneakers app, but I got hit with like a fraud protection thing, and they pretty much pushed my transaction to the curb. But the Nike sneakers app, you can cop on there. They'll be releasing around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 10 a.m. if you're in the middle, like Central Time Zone, whatever it is. You're like Oklahoma, Kansas, 11 or 12 in California. I don't know. I'm not good with the time zone, stuff like that. But y'all just be aware. Hit the notify me button on the Nike sneakers app. I'm gonna show y'all right now how to do it. I did like a whole sneakers app and Footlocker Reservation app, how to cop on there. If y'all want to check it out, scroll back on the videos, you might check it out and might find something very helpful for you. So you go to your sneakers app, you go to the Air Jordan 4 Breds, as you can see right here, check it out, and you hit the notify me button just like that. I'll put like some B-roll right here because it's kind of bright right now, but all you gotta do is hit the notify me button, and it'll notify you. It can notify you like this for an hour, a day before, and I think it's 15 or 10 minutes before the release, so you're aware of what's about to drop. So that's the first tip on how you can copy your Air Jordan 4 Breds. If you're new, that's the first easy step to, you know what I'm saying, securing your pair. As y'all know, with the Nike sneakers app, they released the shoe already like 2-3 times, and I think they released them in like some pop-up shops here and there, and these shoes is everywhere. Y'all know with the big releases, the Bred 4s, the Concord 11s, we got a whole bunch of pairs. You already know the retail or the resale value of the sneaker is gonna stay around that same retail price plus the shipping. So on StockX, you probably can find a pair right now for like $240. You might can find somebody that already bought the shoes early. You might can catch them for about $220, man. So you just gotta look for who got the best prices. Don't look forward to, you know what I'm saying, spending over $300 on some Bred 4s, because you know, I already know it's gonna be a lot of pairs. Maybe not a million like they made for the Air Jordan 11 Concourse, but it is a lot of Bred 4s going around. A lot of people hitting on them early. Exclusive access, and like, you know what I'm saying, pop-up shops, stuff like that. There's been so many reviews over the Air Jordan 4 Breds and they've been given, and that's because Jordan Brand and Nike has, you know what I'm saying, gave those shoes to the public. So y'all stay tuned for those little shock drops and stuff like that. Y'all know the Air Jordan 1, Travis Scott just did a little shock drop, gave my input about that as well. Check out the last video, but we're not here for that. Back to the Bred 4s. I never had the Bred 4s in my collection. A couple of months ago, I was gonna grab the Air Jordan 4 Breds, like the 2012 pair, but I wanted to wait and get this real, you know what I'm saying, the Nike Air on the back. I want to get the new fresh pair. I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, get no used pair. This one right here, I love it. It's a Bred colorway. It goes with anything. You can wear it with green, black, red, whatever you want to wear. It will look dope. And it's a 4. I don't have a lot of 4s in my collection, but a couple of 4s that, like I'm saying, I really like, including Air Jordan 4 white cement, man. I stood in line for like 3 hours for these where I'm at, and the leather quality on these is trash as well. I didn't pay retail on these. I spent a little, like maybe like 30 bucks less, because I got them from the PX. You already know at PX you get the shoes for cheaper than retail price, and you can tell right here, like if you pull your Bred 4s out, you already know the quality was bad on those. If they get some tumble leather on these, that would have been super dope, but you already know Jordan Brand don't give us nothing crazy. But lately, I'm not gonna lie, they've been giving us some nice quality on like the ones, The Concord 11s was nice quality, and a couple other kicks I haven't mentioned. I'm pretty sure that you know that Jordan Brand is giving us some dope quality sneakers. And hopefully these Bred 4s, I've been seeing like a little reviews here and there, and I've been hearing like the quality isn't where it should be, and like the buyer's eyes. You know what I'm saying? If you spend $200 on shoes, you expect nothing but the best quality. But you know how Jordan Brand is. They don't care pretty much how we feel. Maybe the next 4 years when the Bred 4 drop again, maybe that's when we get the dope quality. Next, you can go and check your Footlocker Reserve app. It's probably too late that I dropped the video. You check in and get your 10-minute head start. So I did a video over that. If you have not checked it out, please go check it out. It's a very, very helpful video. I think that video has been getting a lot of views lately. There's a lot of people that don't know what the Footlocker Reserve app is, and I pretty much like woke a lot of people up, I feel like, and I helped a lot of people out. See what I'm saying? Use that app, utilize the app, and get your shoes before anybody gets to check-ins and stuff like that, and get your head start so you can be one of the first to get the shoe from Footlocker. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you check your app, see if it's first come, first serve for your Bred 4s. I'm not sure, because where I'm at, we don't do the Footlocker Reserve app. You just go first come, first serve up here. With this sneaker right here, I feel like will be a first come, first serve, because the way it's looking, it's a lot of pairs. It's not been as hyped up as a Concord 11 because it's not 11, it's a 4. But you know what I'm saying, I feel like this one's gonna be a major GR. Also check out your Champ Sports, your Finish Lines, and all your local shops like sale, you know what I'm saying, Jordan, stuff like that. I'm pretty sure everybody around your local area, any sneaker store has these Bred 4s. So just call around, see where you can get them and stuff like that. Just don't be one of those guys that try to come like a day later and try to get your size, because you might take a L. So do your research now, call around, see what you can do to get your sneakers. All right, that's kind of it on how to cop. I want to go into what you guys feel about the Bred 4s. Then they're gonna sit, or then they're gonna sell out instantly. It's an iconic shoe, but then again, it's a major GR. So you kind of get that happy medium on where you think that the shoe is gonna do, how you think it's gonna do on the resale market, stuff like that. Right now, like I said, you can get it for about $250, $270. And I just want to know what you feel that the Air Jordan 4 Breds are going to go for after the release. I feel like they're going to, you know what I'm saying, drop right around retail for another like year or so, because it's so many pairs. You got to get that value over the years. And if you're a reseller, hold them for a while. You will definitely make some money off these Bred 4s, because there's going to be people that want this pair later down the line. That's new sneakerheads, like I said. I appreciate you for tuning in. Right now, what you need to do is hit that like button if you made it this far into the video, man. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring the notification bell so you never miss another video, post notification, or live stream on the channel. And follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below, man. I appreciate all the love and support. I really do. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.